Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Divya Sharma, practicing in my center in ACS Layout, Whitefield, Bangalore, and the guiding principles of my practice has been empower the patient, inspire the best, cure the most. We get a lot of queries and concerns about laser hair removal. First of all, what is laser hair removal? It is actually laser hair reduction. So using a beam of laser, we reduce or almost stunt the ability of the hair in the hair follicle to grow back, hence reducing them permanently. Any male or female patient above 18 years of age who want to get rid of unwanted hair can opt for this procedure. But there are certain indications apart from cosmetic reasons where actually laser hair removal is a treatment. One of the commonly encountered things in my clinical practice is ingrown hair. A lot of young men and women suffer from this condition. In women, especially legs, in men complaining of ingrown hair in the areas where they have to shave repeatedly. There are also patients who complain of bumpy skin due to repeated waxing. Notwithstanding the observation that over the years we have seen a lot more increase in number of reactions and burns that may happen after the saloon hair removal procedures like waxing. So laser hair removal is not only permanent reduction, it is completely painless, far more comfortable compared to a salon done procedure, and also is a permanent solution to the problem of unwanted hair. It requires minimum 6 to 8 sessions. The sessions are spaced according to the body part. It is very important that our patient understands that although all lasers may claim to be of same type and wavelength like diode, they are not actually the same. One has to choose a US FDA approved laser hair removal system which is backed up by evidence not only amongst national but international diaspora of doctors. So the experience, the machine and the man behind the machine is equally important. Why there is so much confusion about laser hair removal is the fact that it is not a cost dependent procedure. The safety and efficacy will very much depend upon the parameters chosen by your doctor. So supervision by a qualified and experienced dermatologist would go a long way in giving you the best results with minimum number of sessions. So here is a patient who's opted for laser hair removal for removing hair from arms, one of the most waxed areas, and there was a problem of ingrown hair, there was a problem of getting recurrent rashes after waxing. So compared to a regular procedure like waxing or shaving, laser hair removal is going to be a permanent fuss-free solution. So before we start the procedure, we clean the area, we make sure there is no moisturizer or oil left on the skin. My assistant Suma is going to shave the affected area, making sure that there is no single hair on the area to be laced to avoid burns. Then this area is marked, making sure we do not give you any skip areas. Mark it properly. Big marks. So what we are going to use is we use a unique vacuum suction technology, large handpiece in which we use this disposable tip. Now using this tip we are able to cover much larger areas, hence making this process quite fast and efficient. We are able to cover large areas like arms and legs in less than an hour. It doesn't require any anesthesia, it doesn't require any gel, it's not messy. It's a procedure you can quickly come do and go back to office. So the patient does not feel even a little prick as compared to the other conventional lasers because of this unique vacuum suction technology. Now that minute suction that the patient feels while I do the procedure actually blocks the pain receptors. So my dear patient, I am going to start your procedure. You will experience a minute pinch. Did you experience any pain? Was there any discomfort? Comfortable? So, the beauty of this treatment is the ease, the painlessness, and the efficacy. So, here we are. This is the easiest fuss-free solution for your arms and legs. So, we just finished doing the laser. After this, we put a moisturizing cream. As you can see, there is no redness. There's not even a mark of the procedure being done. And it is so much more comfortable than the routine ways of removing hair. And I always believe laser hair removal is one of the best things that has happened to the human mankind. And one should avail it and get rid of your waxing and hair removal woes. Here we are, a refreshed, rejuvenated, a brighter looking skin, and as you can see, there is no possible downtime. There are no major precautions to be taken. Patient is ready to go with a moisturizer and a sunscreen application. We do ask the patient to be very careful in the next coming days. As the skin has been superficially exfoliated, patient needs to use a hydrating moisturizer and a sunscreen. So it's one of the commonest, easiest and effective ways of dealing with not only acne but also common conditions like pigmentation, and why not, it could also make your day bigger and brighter. If you're feeling your skin is looking dull, dehydrated or under the weather, I think you can always choose a very superficial chemical peel to make your day brighter. Practically no. There are no major or permanent side effects, though there might be slight redness and slight feeling of warmth after the procedure in very sensitive skin patients. But we have some very well developed, technologically advanced hair removal systems which are far more comfortable than what you are doing in routine to remove your hair. It is safe, it is effective, it is painless. So why not opt for a permanent way to have a fuzz-free, desirable looking skin?